Hey guys, welcome to part 3 on the LaFerrari build. In the last episode I was priming the body, and I figured while I was doing that I could do all the small pieces as well. So that's what I'm doing right now, and later on I'm going to give it some color. I'm not going to show the painting of all the individual pieces. I just picked out a couple because if I did not do that and used all the video material that I shot, this would be an episode of over an hour. I decided to go with yellow brake calipers. I decided to do them with the airbrush instead of brushing it on, because this would look nicer and would cover better than if I did it with a brush. I gave it 3 coats. Also, some engine parts were supposed to be red, so I painted those red, and also the engine cover, that was supposed to be carbon fiber or something like gunmetal, but I liked it better in red, as other Ferraris had that as well in the past. So did that in red, did those 2 coats, one from further away to give it a bit of texture. Not sure if it really worked, but I gave it a shot. For the exhausts and wheels, I chose jet exhaust from Alclad 2 paint. This is not black, but it's not gray either. It's just in between that and looks nice with some clear. It has a very deep color in it somehow. Really like it. So I decided to do the wheels in that color as well, starting from the inside and making sure I get all of the sides covered, and moving on to the outside as well. So that's the wheels all done. Moving on to the exhaust. I'm giving this base of the jet exhaust as well, but I'm going to go over that with some dark aluminum later on. All the exhaust parts are now painted, so I can move on to the dark aluminum. The reason I painted it jet exhaust first is to make it black, and when you apply some silver or aluminum colors over that, it makes the color look more rich and more realistic. In this case it looks a bit like stainless steel. As in any other kit, a lot of black parts, so I'm just going to show you one not to bore you out, and then moving on to the next color. And of course a lot of silver parts as well. On the real car there were loads of carbon fiber parts, but I decided not to do them in carbon fiber decals, so I'm just going to give them a gunmetal finish, which will probably look the same from far away, I guess. Also, the disc brakes were supposed to be carbon ceramic brakes, so I masked off the calipers and painted the rest of the disc in some gunmetal. For the interior I wanted to go with some brown leather, so I chose this color. I really like this color on Ferraris. I did a couple in the past and still like it, so more of this to come. Well, that wraps up part 3. These are some technical info, the pressure I used and the airbrush. Check out my Facebook for status updates, questions or suggestions. Shoot me an email or post a comment. And as always, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys next time.